Tonight, guys, we'll be covering Revelation 16, verses 12 through 16. And in this, we'll see that it's the sixth bowl being poured out. So the sixth poured out his bowl on the great river Euphrates, and its water was dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east. Then I saw three unclean spirits like frogs coming from the dragon's mouth, from the beast's mouth, and from the mouth of the false prophet. For they are demonic spirits performing signs, who travel to the kings of the world to assemble them for the battle on the great day of God the Almighty. Look, I am coming like a thief. Blessed is the one who is alert and remain clothed, so that he may not go around naked and people see his shame. So they assembled the kings at the place called in Hebrew Armageddon. So in this, we kind of see that the river Euphrates is dried up to make way for. It says the kings from the east. It's a travel route for them. It's making way for them. And in that, we also know that this is not going to be just like a geographical event, but also a supernatural event, as we see three unclean spirits coming from the dragon's mouth, the beast's mouth, and the mouth of the false prophet. And these demonic spirits are performing signs in order to get people to rally behind them, kind of like to win their support. And then, we know that Jesus says that he's coming like a thief. So Jesus is coming, and his return's going to be sudden and unexpected. But, the way to be free of shame when he does come is to be spiritually alert and clothed in righteousness. And that just means, trying to live a life closest to his as possible, not staying in the world, but staying in God. Lastly, Satan, the Antichrist, and the false prophet are going to gather like all the kings of the earth at a place in Hebrew called Armageddon, and there's been many historic battles fought at this particular place, but it's going to be this battle is actually going to be way more intense and one of the greatest battles ever fought there. Okay, so it says that it might appear to mean this big hill or whatever called Armageddon, hill or mount of Megiddo or Megiddo. Some view it as like referring to Mount Carmel, which is located about 15 miles from there. But also, it just gives right here. I'm just kind of reading from my study Bible. Actually, when Napoleon Bonaparte saw that place and the Jezreel Valley, he described the site as the world's most natural battleground. Historically, no fewer than 34 battles have been fought here for control of this strategic corridor. Egypt's pharaoh, Tutmosis III, said that capturing this place was like capturing 1,000 towns. Others think Armageddon is not an actual place, but a symbol for the concluding battle between good and evil. So, and I know it's kind of, you'll hear it referred to as the Battle of Armageddon. So, anyways, that's all I have for tonight. Good night. Love you guys. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you tomorrow.